What's up guys, so today in front of me is this 2-bay hard drive docking station made by ORICO, and before I tell you about its features and show you it in action, let me explain why actually I needed this one. So I had a hard drive, it was around 8 terabyte, and I had very important data stored inside it, my YouTube videos and many other data, and it was inside WD My Cloud Home. And what happened is that it stopped working. I took the hard drive out, sent it for repairs, and then I find out that it can no longer be repaired. So all that data is now lost. So now I was looking for a solution, not a very expensive one. I found this one. This one has 2 bays, so I can insert 2 hard drives, and then what I can do is that I can copy the same data in one hard drive and the other. So even if one gets busted and it stops working and is not repairable, there is a good chance that the other one will still be working, so I will have the backup data, important data. Now, given there are variants of this that have automatic clone, but I'm not looking for 100% synchronization. All I need is that some important data is kept as a backup in another hard drive. So that's the reason. And if you're looking for an offline clone, there are other variants of this one available. Now that you know why I bought this one, and again, price was a deciding factor for me to buy this one, as I was looking for something on budget. This one is listed for just around $27 on AliExpress from where I ordered it, and it also had like 4.8 stars out of 5 rating. So I knew that it was a legit product, so that's why I ordered it. So let's check it out. I'm not given its price, I'm not expecting anything fancy here. Very basic packaging. We have this 2-bay ORICO docking station. Then if we'll look inside it, we have this 36-watt power adapter. I bought the Type C variant, so this is Type C to Type 2-in-1 Type A and Type C cable. I will show it to you later. The adapter and some documentation. This is what came inside it. And let me show you the adapter. You have the choice to pick your own adapter. I picked this one. Not sure why, but just went with this one. And now this is the European adapter. It is a 36 watt. You can also change it if you have some others lying around like I do. So this is the adapter, 2-bay docking station. As you can see, if you can see it from here, that it can handle both PC and desktop hard drives. So 3.5-inch hard drives are the desktop ones, and 2.5-inch are the PC ones. They claim that it also can handle SSDs, but because I don't have SSDs, so that claim I will not be able to verify. Let me show you the cable. It comes with different ports and cables, so it is up to you which variant you want to buy. I bought that USB Type C one because that's the new norm. Why go with something else? Because I use a MacBook which has a Type C, so it was an obvious choice for me. All right, this is the cable. As you can see, I think it is 1 meter and very good quality cable. You look at it, not bad at all. And these parts are metallic, mostly aluminium. And this part is Type C and Type A, which is really cool, right? So this is the cable that came with it. Again, there are some Type B ports as well. So it is up to you which one you want to buy. Now back to our docking station. Let me show you its ports. This is the Type C port. You can see it right here. This is the power port, DC input. This is the on off button right here. Some rubber pads so that it does not slip away. And again, space. There are 2 lights as well. They will turn permanent blue once it starts working correctly. So there is that. And one neat thing is that it is just plug and play. Like I need to just plug in. That's it. Nothing else is required. No drivers like macOS, Linux, and Windows, all 3 operating systems. All you need to do is just plug it in, connect it with the computer, and you're going to read both of the hard drives simultaneously and copy and paste data. And before I have these 2 hard drives lying around here. Not lying around, I actually specifically bought these for this one, because again I was on a budget. So this time I did not go with 8 terabyte, which was the last one. I went with 3 terabytes instead. One is a Seagate, one is a WD. I bought a different one so that both of them don't go like bazooka on me at the same time. So these are 2 different hard drives, but with the same capacity. Both are PC hard drives with 3 terabytes. what we are going to do is that insert these inside this docking station and connect it with the MacBook which I use, and then try it out. Before I do that, this one supports this is actually USB 3.0 port, not latest 3.2 generation port. So we want that this is 3.0, not 3.2. 3.2 is the latest generation port. It supports around 420 megabytes per second of data transfer, which is their claim transmission, but obviously that transmission range will vary depending on whether you're copying a large single file, which obviously copy faster, or if you're copying smaller pictures like hundreds of pictures, then the speed will be obviously slow. All right, let's see. Let me plug it in. All you need to do is, let's see which one should be source. Let's do the Seagate one as the source. This one will be the source, and if I am right, that's how it is going to go. I heard the click sound, that means it went perfectly. Time for the other one. Again, heard the click sound, then that means we are good to go. See, that's all you need to do and you're ready to go. Let me actually show you. Because they are always open, so heat dissipation is also is not that big of an issue, and I don't need to use them regularly, like once in a day or maybe a few times in a week. So I don't expect that heat and everything to be an issue. And they have an auto sleep. After 10 minutes, if you don't use them in 10 minutes, they will automatically go to sleep. So there is that. So they do prevent power and other things. There are no screws required, no nothing, no drivers. All you need to do is just this, and now we will connect it to the power and MacBook, and I will show you the data in progress. So let's get to it then. All right, I have my MacBook here. It is a MacBook Pro 15-inch, one of the latest generation with MacBook 3, 36 GB RAM and something 1 terabyte SSD. So all good here, running the latest macOS, and I have already connected it with the power adapter. But one thing you should know that it does not, even if it does. So as soon as I press the power button, it actually did turn on. I was going to say that it will not turn on, but it did. I was expecting it will only turn on when I will connect it to the MacBook. Okay, so it is on. I can hear the vibration. The lights are constant blue, which means that all is good. Let's connect. All right, we are all set. Now all I have to do is connect the USB Type-C port inside the docking station, and I think we should be good to go. Let's see. Let me increase the brightness to maximum, and if everything goes well, you should be able to see two hard drives here, right here. This is a HDD1. Let's open it up. See? Then you have the HDD2, and let's copy some things here. Let me copy one folder here, then the same folder here, and both folders got copied instantly, and you can see I can access them simultaneously. This is exactly what I wanted. So if HDD1, which is I think WD, if it goes bazooka on me, it gets busted, then I will have the other hard drive with me. So that's the reason I ordered this one. And again, budget was a lot of consideration for me. I did not want to go expensive with this one, at least not for the time being. Otherwise I would have expected some good network attached storage, but for now I think this will do, and I will be able to keep my data safe in 2 hard drives. And another thing is that you don't need to insert 2 hard drives like I did. You can just keep 1 hard drive and remove the other one, because you can also use this docking station as just a way to access your hard drive. So it is totally up to you. This is my use case, the way I wanted to use it. I have shown it to you, the reason I wanted to buy it, and I think it will work just fine for me. Again, there are ones with the offline cloning function, in which this device will automatically clone like from one hard drive to the other, but again I wasn't looking for it, but maybe I will review that one as well. One other thing that I forgot to mention is that this one slot, like one bay, can only handle a maximum capacity of 16 terabytes. In total, you can handle, this docking station can handle 36 terabytes of storage, not more than that. So just wanted to let you know. And one other thing that really interesting, they say that you can easily connect it with your routers, projectors, PlayStation, and even phones. So not just MacBooks or Windows or Linux. So let's actually try it. Let me eject it first. So well, since they said that it will work with phones, so why not just give it a try. I have this Type-C and Pixel phone with me. Let me insert it and let's see if anything happens. How will I read it? Probably through, oh, something popped up here. So it says USB drive detected. Let's open it up. No, I don't want to format it. It is telling me that you can format it and use it as a portable storage. I don't want to format it. But yeah, there is one thing. It is detecting both of those. I think it may not work with my phone in the sense that these hard drives are formatted with macOS, like Apple Apple file system. So yeah, not with the general file system. So probably my device will not be able to read it. If I had formatted it with some generic like cross-platform file system, then my mobile would have been able to read it. But as you can see, the devices are being detected here. So if you had formatted it probably like NFTs or other file system, your mobile phone would have been able to read it. So this was it. And I think, to be honest guys, for the price of $27 along with shipping, like it was along with shipping, I got free shipping with it, so I did not even pay shipping. So I think, I mean guys, for the price, this is really good buy for me. And there is no sound at all, like minor vibrations that if you want to feel, you can feel them, but there's no other sounds. And honestly, I think I am satisfied with it. Again, I will see how long it lasts, but overall I think it does look good for the price. And if you are looking for something like this, I wouldn't mind recommending it to you guys as well. And stay tuned to my channel, give your feedback, and maybe I will do the autoclone unboxing here as well, and review the one made by ORICO that clones the hard drives automatically. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your feedback, and take great care of yourself. Bye.